Ayo, yo, yo. Okie dokie, let's get this party sorted. Let's get it started in just a heads up, there is a storm. There is a storm on its way, so let's see. I'm gonna do as much as I can, but obviously if the storm gets too close, I'm gonna have to, unfortunately, why are we doing this? I am going to have to unfortunately call it. I do not, you know, as much fun as it would be, I don't really want my PC to be because of, hello, oh, speaking of, we might have another sleepless night tonight. Yeah, he's just still, oh no, come, it's okay, yep. Ayo, Crypto Roach, good morning, how you doing? How goes it? Just for you?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How are you doing? How's it going? London High, London Low. I prefer... I'll mark it like that. How about that? Done and done. Okay. That's like everything. That's everything I have to do. I thought there'd be more. Ayo, clock on Wall Street. It's government shutdown again. Bless me, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Is it officially the shutdown now? That officially happened on Friday, right? Hey, go have fun. What's up? How are you doing? How goes it? Are you just doing absolutely amazing? I hope you are. Did you see? Sorry, I just read what someone said about their confirmations. Up on Wall Street. Partial? What do you mean by partial? Sorry, I know I just asked you a question. Okie dokie, bud. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do that. There we go. Like I said, if I end the stream early today, it's because there is a huge storm on the way. Absolutely massive. Let me just make sure this is just, yeah, okay. So it's just loss of data. It's not because that's just a ridiculous nothing. There is a huge storm on the way, and obviously PC comes first. Without the PC, I can't trade. So if the storm gets closer and we start seeing bright flashes of light, I might have to call it a little bit early today. So just a heads up. After would be better if I had coffee. I hear you. Coffee for the win, especially with the storm on the way. Do you know what would be the best? Like pizza with like rain and watching your favorite movie. That sounds like a plan. Oh, it's a partial shutdown. What does that mean? What's a partial shutdown? Hey Jim, what's up? Where's everyone today? Oh, we all just chilling, I think. Make sure to charge your phone before the storm. It's on 11%, it'll be okay, it's fine. Go fun tea or coffee, depending on the day. Yeah, depending on the... No, let's rephrase that. Depending on time of day. Morning coffee, evening tea. Hey Roshan, how you doing? Sir Bill, what's up? Debbie, how are you? How's it going? Are we all ready? Do we think this is just gonna keep consolidating? I mean, this is still kind of... Ooh, relative equal lows. Okay, relative equal lows down there. Yeah, let's see where this goes. I mean, this hasn't moved that much. This would have been a win from earlier. This just would have not been the best win, but it is what it is. Oh, that was other people's trades. That's what I marked out there, so we can ignore those, delete those for now. Let's see what happens. In my lucky time, if you hit my TP and made 6k in my fund. You lie. What the heck, man? That is amazing. Whoop whoop. That is such a flipping good trade. Whoop whoop to you. What the heck, man? There we go. That is amazing. I have proof. Go on then, show me. Show me the proof. No, I'm joking. Here's that whoop whoop for you, just for you. Anyone else that's had a awesome green day, well done. Like, seriously, well done. To be fair, this day is not ideal right now. Kind of consolidating, then running away, then consolidating, then running away, but let's see. Let's see what we get. We have 10 minutes to go until opening. Yeah, we have 10 minutes to go until opening, so let's see what this brings. Do I have high hopes? Let's see, I had high hopes for this morning and it did not work out for me, so let's see. Ayo, Eddie, what's up? And hello Z, hi. You didn't reply to my comment last time. Which comment? You're telling me have a blessed day, weekend, yeah, everyone take care. Aw, cheers, Joseph. But wait, are you leaving? What? The what? Eloise? I feel like... Oh, from Russia? That is so cool. What's up? Hello from South Africa. How are you doing? Jordy, how are you? Are you... Do you think this is just going to keep consolidating? Or do you think we're actually going to have some movement? Just some movement would be nice. You didn't read it. I typed it before you closed. Oh, I'm sorry. What did you say, Rajan? What did you say? I apologize. I apologize for closing the stream early. Well, I didn't close it early, but I apologize. Let's do this. So heads up to anyone. Well, actually, for anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Let's get this day started. And two things. Go have fun. What does that mean? Go have fun? What does it mean? What does it mean? So two things. Number one, there is a storm on its way. So if I might have to end stream early depending on how close the storm gets. You know, gotta protect this PC. No PC means no trading and no streaming, and that's just not on. So if I have to tap out early, it's because a storm is headed in this direction. Second thing is, I think the open will be like, oh, she'll just hang around and do nothing. Oh, Jordy, so I'm gonna tease you with a good time and then that's it. That's not okay. That's not okay. Oh, go. Oh, is that what it means? I said a pickup line before you ended the stream. What was the pickup line? I'm kind of curious now. What was the pickup line? Ayo, Bob, what's up? At least it's not hot for you. It's still humid, believe it or not. Like, I put this on. I'm low-key regretting that I've put this on, but I did put it on. It is still humid, but it is cooler. So you're right. You're right. Just never be happy, but you are correct. It is a little bit cooler, so I will not complain. Bob, how are you doing? The news is delayed after 21 days. Look at me. Yeah. Okay, I'll go have a check back on Wall Street. Oh, the second thing. Sorry, I got distracted. ADHD kicked in. Second thing is, I really, now that I am officially affiliated with Tradeify, sorry for everyone that's heard this before, I apologize, but I'm saying it again because we have 6 minutes to go until New York opens. So I am now officially affiliated with Tradeify. My code is TeachMaya, all caps. I want to do a giveaway, but I want the giveaway to kind of be like a little bit of a celebration and, you know, make it a little bit of a goal. I want to get a minimum of 10 people to get a Traderfy account and use my code with that account. I know maybe that sounds greedy, but I mean, we're then going to do a giveaway with that. So minimum of 10 people. You have until the 15th because that's while this special is still going on. There's a 30% discount on all accounts with Traderfy currently, which is awesome if you use my code, which like I said is teachmaya, all caps. I'll pin it as well, so I'll do that now. But I want to try and get a minimum of 10. But here's what I also think would be quite cool. If you send me proof that you have used my code for Traderfy and you've purchased whatever, I will put your name down twice or however many times you've used that code so that your probability of winning the giveaway account is increased, right? That's my thought. Okay, well, that's what I want to do. So yeah, let me pin this. I heard this like a million times, but it sounds like music because it's you saying it. Nice. It's not great if I don't give accounts away for free. Exactly. So true. Thank you, Mikuabe. Somebody said that in. They don't know anything saying in trade there. I'll love to join in. Let's call it fate and skip the debate. Oh, is that another? That's another one of your poems. I love it. Missed out on an entry because I was super low quality, but ended up having quite a nice reaction. But oh well. I saw you posted that on. I saw you posted it, but it was low quality, so it's okay, right? It's not like you missed a top-notch setup because you weren't being disciplined. It was low quality, which means it could have been a loss, right, Mikoave? So it's not a loss. Rather, patience, wait for good quality setups, and then take them. How's your trading going? You should have passed some emails by now. You're waiting for 9 AM for the open. My calendar was set to 8 AM. We made a start with a bullish trade. Oh, nice, Eddie. Yeah, no, I'm waiting for, well, 9:30 technically. Hey John, how you doing? I've been trade funded. 2 more winners till I secure the payout. Ooh, I also got an email that I'm thinking about trading this week. Where is your Discord? Rashan, it's in the description below. Is my Discord. Like I said, let me also quick sticks do this. Shoot, come on, open, hurry up. I at least want to be here for 30 minutes. Come on. I at least want to be here for the first 30 minutes. Maybe get a trade in. I'm just listening to the thunder and lightning going, ah! But it's okay. Like I said, let me pin this. Okay. It's just because it only swept by 2 points, which is usually a bit trappy. Ah, but there we go. I'm gonna be sending you on Discord for Valentine's. Then you're gonna be blocked if you do that. Just saying. The 11 out of 13 have been winners, man. It's unreal. Sticking to rules gets hard when you're winning, though. You were right. Hey, Revenge Buddha. How did everyone? Well, I mean, yeah. Obviously had my missed trade, but I still ended green, so that was good. Everyone seemed to have a really good day yesterday, which is awesome. Today I missed one trade earlier, but it is what it is. It's okay. I mean, the conditions weren't ideal, so am I upset about it? No, not as upset as I was yesterday. The conditions yesterday were way more ideal than it was this morning, so it is what it is. It's fine. This morning London session was very risky, so I'm not upset that I didn't get any trades in this morning at all. Let's do this. That's the problem I was having. It's super tough. I have to download Discord. Oh, I'm sorry. We're in the losers club today. No, Mikuwabe, why? Yo, those mining stocks were fire yesterday. I don't really use it anymore. Well, now you got an awesome community, so you can use it. Revenge? Yeah, how about you, Revenge? How was your day yesterday? Was it good? Bad? Me. Ooh, here we go. Sorry, I lost focus. Here's opening. Tapped into that level. Strong rejection. Strong-ish rejection. Let's rephrase that. That's quite the wick off you want to see there. Let's watch this candle. Ooh, it's pushing on ES and not pushing the... Damn it. Okay. Check out ES versus NQ right now. That's not ideal. Let's see though. Let's see. Mikov, I'm gonna have to have a look. We opened at settlement price. Well, I took 4 from 980, took 2 into like I had talked about. Oh, and all good. Revenge Buddha, were they all amazing or wow. For open to be a doji like that is not okay. That is not okay. I haven't seen it open like that in a very long time. Wow. Let's see how the price action starts reacting here. It's better. It's okay. Like I said, this is just disgusting, but it's fine. So pretty good, done early. Oh, nice. There we go, Revenge Buddha. That's awesome. You can tell me if I look 21 or 35. I usually get 35. That's hilarious. Wait, let me... I'm now very, very curious. I have to see this. Sorry, while we're waiting for price to figure itself out. Ah, I can't really zoom in and see. Ah. I can't really zoom in far enough to see. I can't be creepy and be like, aha, I can see what you look like. Sorry. And just like that, we have another Bob quote. That, sure, if...
Emotional damage!
Damn, Bob, that was rough. This is uglier than my ex-wife's burnt meatloaf. That is amazing. A Bob quotes, da 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 da. Like I said, I'm gonna have a whole booklet. I'm so excited. Oh, Israel, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Just watching this morning, took 609 PM QQQ. Now I'll play some games and listen. Oh, Revenge Buddha, well, thank you for supporting. I really appreciate it. Speaking of, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Flat open. Yeah, this open is disgusting. This is disgusting. Let's see if it eventually decides it's gonna break out of something, but, did anyone take a trade in this? Out of curiosity, you know, asking for a friend. Did anyone take a trade in this? We trade futures. Forex is in the wind. I feel like Meatloaf is referencing something else. No, I don't think so. Bob wouldn't mean that, would you? I don't... No.
Nice.
Patoshan, you're shorting from open. Nice, okay. I'm itching to short, but I know I shouldn't. It's just been ranging since last night. Right, I'm gonna need some solid confirmation before I jump into anything. Just saying. Wow. But looks me. I mean, it's going down just really slowly. Sit on your hands. I usually let you. Wow, Eddie, rude. You said you're trading what? Nasdaq futures. Yeah. So it's the Nasdaq. MNQ is the symbol. I don't know if you can see the symbol here. There we go. MNQ here. This is the symbol, MNQ. $260, $280, looking cute. Looking cute. Oh, that's adorable. I mean, back down to Asia low would be pretty decent. There's relative equal lows here and Asia low. A short down to there would be nice. Is it gonna go down there though? Okay. Let's check. That's the 5-minute. We don't have a first presented yet. So I know this ends up looking like chaos. It kind of helps my brain. Like I said, I kind of forward test this. So it's always interesting for me, personally. There's no bias right now, whether it'll break out top or bottom. Exactly. Wait for it to hit one of these levels and look for confirmation for continuation to the next level. Looks like it's going to happen today too. As soon as the market opened for me, the candles were going wild. What is it with precious metals right now to make it go crazy? John, isn't it the uncertainty? Aren't precious metals like the fear? Am I saying this correctly? Precious metals are what people turn to when there's a lot of fear and uncertainty going on in the world, because they are pretty consistent. So when there's fear and uncertainty, everyone rushes towards metals. That's at least my understanding. You know, obviously you guys correct me if I'm wrong, but that's my understanding. I've done some research on them, and they do say that the precious metals, especially gold, seems to be where people go when things are very uncertain. Hasn't Asia already been swept on NQ? Asia high has been swept, not Asia low. Asia low is down here at 278. Equal highs on 30 minutes. Can we get a third low? Usually flat opens goes all over the place. Well, what I've heard gold right now, it wasn't doing well, but I might be wrong. But you're right, since right, so a little correction seems appropriate through a lot of uncertainty. Banks will be able to use gold and silver as tier 1 assets. There we go. Yes, that pays for investments. As when everything crashes, it holds value the best. There we go. So they are the fear. Okay, when everything's uncertain, everyone kind of drops everything else and rushes, like I said, especially to gold. I know, well, from what I've heard, especially to gold. Okay, wait. First presented here. Nice break below. Let me confirm quickly with the higher time frames, but so far this has a lot. This is the first presented fair value gap as well. Oopsie, I pressed the wrong freaking thing. There's midnight open, VWAP. There's a lot in favor of this one. Like I said, there's relative equal lows right below and Asia low and the next level. Let's see, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I jumped in too soon. Yes, I'm saying Nasdaq. Profit. Cheers, Michael. Michael Wabe. Okay, well, I'm in. Let's see. Man. Violin for one. No, man, not 5. You numpty. Thank you. Shoot. Sorry, I'm saying shoot because the thunder and lightning's on its way. Good rejection. I would like more of a rejection. Okay, but we are in this. It did theoretically go further down. So, did it reach half? Not quite. Okay, now it's reached half. So I can mitigate risk by half. Okay. Risk mitigated by half. Let's see. Okay, there's one. Put this up to 3. Now break even. That would not be sell limit. No, I stop. Shoot, never mind. Shoot, do I just let this run? Do I be cheeky now and just follow? No, I shouldn't be too cheeky, hey. Do I just let it run? Is that being greedy? Do I let it run or is that being greedy? Okay. No, that's being greedy. We might see a bit more of a retest going on there, so just leave it there. Let's move this to 1. Okay, let's have break even regardless of what happens. Break even. I'm gonna try for 2 levels here. Let's see what happens. Let it alone! Oh, we have... Debbie P says, let it run. It feels greedy. Okay, everyone's saying let it run, so I'm gonna let it run. It's at break even regardless, so there's Asia low. Done. If it comes back now, it is what it is. You can click on the number to change the contracts. I've tried that. It doesn't work so well. Like I said, I have tried it though. It may. Sorry, the votes for let it run outweighed the votes for leave it alone. What app I'm using? TradingView. I bet they banned my account because I said I'm a 4-year-old. Oh god, there's an age restriction. Why would you say you're a 4-year-old? Just be kept up for 80 on that move. Oh, I'm being yelled at. 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 Goes down, you want to see a proper read? Get profit done, 1 to 2. I don't know, just for fun. Keeps going. Hey, Mikuava, what's up? Oh, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, I'm gonna be in trouble. I thought it was awesome to join your server. Maybe there was an age restriction. Oh, what? Oh, Bob's gonna yell at me. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I mean, you can yell at me. It's fair. Hey, LP, what's up? Left a runner. Maybe I shouldn't have been greedy. Should have maybe taken it out there. Did just take out Asia. Asia low, so it might retest further up. Bob's defo yelling at me. Yep, don't worry. He's yelling at both of us, Jordy. It's okay. I think he's gonna be swearing at me. He's gonna swear at me. Oh, he's gonna swear at me. Oh, hardcore, he's gonna swear at me. If we'll go back up, is that silver? Hey, M5, what's up? No, this is the Nasdaq futures. Oh, I'm being yelled at. Na, da, 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 da. Who dare to yell at the birds? Wow. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. Yes. Yes, I did, Mikuafe. I did indeed. Parashan, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If it starts rallying back down now, we're good. If it continues up, then... Oh, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Okay, let's see. Like I said, if it starts going back down solidly, we're good. 25%. Nasdaq, why are you dropping? M5M, do you not want it to be dropping? I'm assuming not. Oh, Manal, thank you. You're such a sweetie pie. I appreciate that. The compliments are always very nice. Thank you. Okay, where's... We're not at the 15-minute zone yet. Oh, here we are. Now we're kind of at the 15-minute. Ooh, not dropping quite as much as I would like it to. Technically, I could now go to the swing high. If it comes back, then I know it is what it is. It almost looks like it's starting to form a W pattern. Finally joined with a new account. Hey, nice! Very, very nice. A W? John? On what time frame? On this one? I'm not seeing a W, but it is what it is. Come on, yeah, respect that doji. Go back down. Oh, gave it a bit of breathing room. Let's see. Drop, drop, drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Da 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 da. Sorry. I know that was very cringe. You guys get used to me. You know that cringe is just what I do. I'm here to be cringy. Anyways. Did I do an outfit change since this morning? I mean, yes and no. I went to the stables, but no, I'm wearing the same thing I just added. The shirt. Not me chanting. Drop, drop, drop. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, flip. Chant away if it helps. Awesome. Drop, 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 drop. Oh, what a big sigh. Oh, so this thunder and lightning is fine, but the thunder and lightning from last night was just not okay. 340 touch would be a reasonable short. Retested that level again. Yep, this might come back up now to get me. No, leave it some breathing room. Leave it some breathing room. 40 touch would be a reasonable short. Well, let's see. John, let's go. I'm leaving it. I'm just having a trailing stop. I'm just trailing all the swing highs. If it drops, cool. If it doesn't, it is what it is. There we go. Let me mark out the 15-minute quickly while this is chin-chilling. Actually, do you know what? Let's go to the 4-hour and check out a decent point of interest on the 4-hour. Oh, it is directly in the middle. I mean, here at the shelf here. What's this? 228. 228 is not bad. So your proper drop back down to the new weekly opening gap. New weekly opening gap is a decent go-to level. Maybe it's pushing it. Maybe that is pushing it solidly. But if this drops down to the new weekly opening gap, again, most likely pushing it, but would be cool. Would be cool. Check the 1-hour. Ew, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Took out those relative equal lows, took out Asia low. Ah, this might come back up to get me now. This is gonna come and get me, and taken. Okay, but still. See, don't be greedy, people. Don't be greedy. We are still up to 52417. Not bad, not bad. See, it did tap into this fair value gap. Is it going to now continue back up to the buy side? Let's see. Reset chart view. It did drop. So, excuse me. Thank you. I see the W you're talking about. Hey, great. SMT there. Maybe it will go back up. Now I want to mark out the 15-minute. I am still being aware of the fact that there is a storm on its way. And I don't want to be greedy. Bob's gonna yell so much at me. For our bull flag time, maybe revenge. It seems like 2 or 3 of the support level. News in 10 minutes. I'm looking forward to 203. Let's see if it does. It might retest again. Oh, it didn't even close nicely out of this 15-minute candle. Oh, you'd want to see it drop further below. Anyways, right, you never guess what level I took out before squeezing up. And it's the same thing. No ways! Are you serious? Actually. What the heck, man? Why is that wick so insane? What is with that wick that just makes it crazy? Also, hi, Solly. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, mad shots. Yeah, let's see. But either way, I mean, that was a nice winning trade. Can't complain about that. Win within the first 15 minutes. Done and dusted. It was an A+ setup, so I took it. That was like the best setup I've actually had in a while. Let's see. Retest struggling to break below this. Actually might now continue up. I know this looks chaotic. I apologize. Everything has a reason and a spot. Okay, tap there. Let's see how it reacts at this level now. Good, just made $600 on blue candle. Seriously, this one here. Nice, Solly. Taking long to 950 macro on the 15 second. You trade the 15 seconds. Good, I'm at 300 so far. No more being suffocated by my bed sheet at night. I mean, Mikuwabe, that's winning. If that's not a win, I don't know what is. Boop 340. Okay, so you think it's gonna boop 340. I think this might continue up now. I think it just actually wanted to come take out Asia low. Okay, we're still okay. Oh, Rashawn, that was terrible, but enjoy your pancakes. I will then see you tomorrow. Terrible, but I love it. But terrible, but I love it. Lucky tries trading. What is gold doing? Yep, gathered liquidity and took off. Literally, it just went, okay, bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Remember, everything is boomerang if you throw it up. What, it must come back down? Is that health expired? Is that what you mean? Or is that what you're trying to say? Thank you, Bob. Thank you. It was a win. I know I was a little bit greedy. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have been greedy. I should have just stuck to the levels. Listen, actually, I'm going to write that on your accountability. Popped it in there, so that's fine. Done. Okay, so I have taken note of it. Don't be greedy, stick to your original plan. My original plan would have been taken out there. I should have just stuck to it. It's fine. It's okay. Have 2.5 as the ultimate target for buyers if they can maintain peeled off contract above 1% first presented fair value gap. Yesterday or in general. My paper account is up 400%. Thank you very much. Damn, Solly, 400%. Is that just from shading me and taking shading me? Well, both kind of work. Fading me and taking the trades I should have taken. Hey Israel, what broker do I use? I'm currently using Top 1 futures, but I will move to Tradeify once this account is either passed or not. Let's see. Yeah, that's my Maya special account. You are so rude. You are so rude. How much is it up? Solly, 400%. That is low-key hilarious. There we go. So we all know then when I hesitate, take the trade. And if I take the trade with confidence, do the opposite, and then you should be good to go. So rude. So rude. Anyways, whatever. Oh, it's raining properly. At least there's not like thunder and lightning. There's still a little bit of thunder. If the lightning comes close, I might have to call it. But you know that lovely smell of rain? Was it dust? I don't know. But I love that smell. Revenge Buddha, you'll get there. Thank you. AD USD level. Yes, taken relative equal highs. JB. Do you think it's now just gonna consolidate, or are we gonna start going? Just testing the 5,000 level, that may be a resistance if it consolidates. M5M. Hope it holds over 250. I'm waiting for confirmation via breakout of the 15 minutes. The fact that it went back into here completely disrespected the first presented, disrespected all these levels. I think this is going to solidly break out of the 15 minute, and we are probably going to be in more of a buy. It just wanted to grab that liquidity. Literally, it just wanted to grab that liquidity to the sell side before continuation back up. Anyone along off the first presented? It's been cooking this week. I need to switch my model. I'm getting FOMO. Basically the pheromones of dirt that you smell. The pheromones of dirt. Like, I guess that's a weird way of thinking about it, but yes. The guy that I learned the strategy. Oh, there's one of these people that never admits to a loss. The strategy works well, but he's defo a liar. Yeah, Mikuave. That's the what? Just 100% win rate. Look at all my wins. I'm up $1 million every day. Like that type of situation, or 900 plus Friday, 50 plus yesterday. It's all coming down today. Because I've been stopped out today for a while. I'm just looking at it go up. All of a sudden fall down. Oh, Israel, currently with top 1 futures. But I do want to swap over to Tradeify once I've either passed or demolished this account. So let's see. Must feel like a legend. Huh. Really? What's the balance now? Solly, it's at 52417. Yeah. 52417. Let's see. Literally, but you know that there's some people out there that say that they do, and I'm just like, okay. For me, that's a dead giveaway that it's a bit of a scam situation going on. What's the goal we are trying to reach? Just past the eval, so 53. 53k. I lost heaps on silver, took me down big time. Yeah, see, silver is no joke. Silver's scary as all heck. When's reveal? On the 13th. So. Yeah. What's that? Friday? Yeah, Friday. Hey, Nickbot, what's up? But see, I just mustn't let it now get to me. I must just continue trading like it doesn't matter what or where those numbers are at. I just check on them now and then to see where it is at, but I'm just gonna keep trading like it does not matter where they are, or else, you know, that little bit of pressure of, oh, it's so close gets to me. Sorry, M5M, but let's focus. Always focus. Let's see, 501, still struggling to break above. There we go, kind of. Okay, still struggling to break. Do you think it's now just going to get stuck in this range? Silver looks fun, but it can liquidate you in a second. That's exactly it. Everything is a boomerang if you throw it up. Just funny skeletal meme sayings. Holding for Monday. Oh! I got it. I got it. I got it. That took me a minute. I'm so sorry. That was such a... I'm sorry. The brain clearly wasn't braining. Holding for Monday high. Oh no, he claims his strat was around a 70% win rate, but when he posts on Twitter, he never posts a loss, only trades he won out of the day. It gets very emotional the closer you get when it's your first time. I know, so I'm trying so hard to not let it get to me. I'm just like, trade every trade like it's the... I don't know, I'm in the middle of the eval and it makes no difference if it's a loss or a win, right? But below 3 hours, I'd be concerned. NQ and SP500 are more reliable. Silver will break you in all realms of reality. That's so rough. Baseline will trade. We'll go more on physical. Well, let's keep. This is stuck in the range. Bob, have you taken a trade? Or not really? I just forget you broke again. Oh, that's okay. Israel, where are you at? Here we go. So I'm using top 1 futures currently, but Tradeify is what I want to swap to soon. I've got a special surprise when you pass your first eval. Okay, what is it? What is it? I'm kind of curious. I'm like, can I guess? I don't know. M5M short. I'm low-key hands off until I get confirmation about where this is going. I mean, that was a W, it was a solid break above, but it has tapped into this area a plethora of times and it keeps getting rejected off of, so if it starts ranging in this, I don't even think I'll be surprised for today, if I'm being honest. Maybe this was just the whole move for today and that's just kind of sad. It always matters. Repetition builds muscle memory. Exactly. Are you always making money with a few screens in front? Yuri missed it? What do you mean? How am I always making money with a few screens in front? What do you mean? Lots and lots of practice and sitting and patience and waiting. Believe me, I've basically waited the whole day for this trade. I've not taken a trade yet. I'm waiting for continuation confirmation. Okay, cool. Multitasking. Exactly. And I mean, to be fair, this was just the perfect setup. If this didn't form, if this didn't come back to me, the likelihood of me still sitting here waiting for a setup would be super, super high. That's like London session. I didn't get a trade London session. Great skill. Yeah. It's like, can you, I don't know if you guys can do this. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, I'll do it just without rolling back. Sorry, my dog is behind my chair. Can you guys pat your head and rub your tummy? But can you then change it around? Yeah. Yes, I practiced this specifically. Can you see it? You keep then changing it around, it messes with your head. But it's something I've practiced because it's really good for motor skills and multitasking. And I practice it specifically for horse riding because you have to be able to do multiple things at multiple times without even having to really think about it. Yeah, I feel bad for doing that. Oopsies. And now we're going sideways, sideways, sideways. Now we're going sideways. Is this a little bit of a bull flag? Aw, John. Thank you. Shout out to John for the dono. Mad love. I can walk and chew gum at the same time. You know what, Lucas? Now you're just bragging. So yes, it was indeed bull flagging. Taking out that high, taking out New York high. Awesome. Do we think this is gonna go to yesterday London high? I would need a little bit of a retest back into the 15 minutes. So this... Wait for the retest and confirmation. Yeah, wait for the retest and confirmation. It just broke above now. Like I said, it's taken quite a bit of liquidity. Need a little bit more confirmation before I hop on into it. What asset is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Missing out on trades. I could probably way worse than you at the moment. Thank you. If I were told, I would short a little bit higher. Up 930. Where do you learn trading from? Most people I feel don't actually try and teach you how. Oh, Justin, so sweet and simply, I learned the basics from the friend that introduced me to trading. The rest I've learned from this amazing community. Literally, you should see the notes that I've collected just from this community. Obviously, you learn things and you go and backtest and do your own homework as well, Solly. But I've literally learned the majority of what I know from this amazing community. Anyways, whoop, caught the long 116 points. OTT, whoop whoop, that is amazing! What the heck, man? Israel, I did type it. Go scroll up, I did type it. And then I got back in 2 W's. Nasdaq, 16 points is crazy. Hit my Monday high target, will now chase with stop loss. What an FU candle! 100%. I have a plane to catch soon, so good to meet you. Oh, cheers, M5M, where are you going? Oh, sorry, Mikawave. Homework mentioned. Here's for everyone that's had winners. Whoop whoop indeed. Here we go. Well done, everybody. What a banger. I don't know why I said it like that, but we're just gonna go with it. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like where the stop loss is. Don't hate where the entry is, but I don't like where the stop loss is. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more confirmation. Let's not be silly now. back to NZ. Oh, nice. Where you at now then, M5M? 442 is 25% dirty work. Looks like if you candle went to... Hey Keanu, what's up? I may be requesting my biggest payout. I'm buying a pink Bugatti. OTT? Let's go, buddy. Let's do it. In theory, that was the level too short, but I don't trust these candles. How to try not anymore, I hear you. No, first time traders is so funny. When I first started, someone with experience asked why I entered and I said, well, because it went up and then it went down. Oh, Mikuwabe, that's amazing. But I mean, to be fair, I used to do that. People would be like, why did you enter there? And I was like, I thought it was going there. That was it. I thought it was headed for there. Was a bang on mine. I took sales for 1 hour gap. Oh, thank you. I saw Bitcoin was dropping again. Are you serious, John? Huge resistance there. Here. Traveling from Vietnam, I have to pay for it. Ah, oh, sorry, M5M. What the heck? Thanks to our dad. ICT. Oh my gosh. Look at you two bros. Because you got the same daddy. Okay, like I said, waiting for a little bit more confirmation. Theoretically, this should come retest back in to this. So a good solid up, need a retest, and then we might be good to go. My cousin is a full-time trader, makes a full living off of it, and he just laughed in my face when I said it. See, but that's... Okay. Sorry, are you guys ready for a Maya rant? Are you ready for a Maya rant? I'm gonna put this up. I'm not gonna take this trade though. Not enough confluences, too many question marks, so I'm not confident in it. Maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't, but let's see. So when I started trading, like obviously, so actually when I started trading on the 5 minute. So boring. Just saying, just for me, so boring. Waiting for the setups and it just didn't work out very well for me. I'm quite an impatient person. I like the go, 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 go. As you see, I have ADHD, so to keep my focus, the noise actually works for me. I know a lot of people do not like the noise, and that is valid. I understand. It can be noisy, it can be confusing. But the noise personally works for me. But I did realize, especially when I was starting, do you know how many people would hop on and be so mean about... Like even literally I had someone complaining about the color of my candles and how I zoomed in and out. I was like, okay, I'm sorry. But this is why I absolutely love this community. I know I've said it like 1,000 times, but I'm gonna say it again. I love this community because, and it's, yeah, you know, it's a bunch of traders, some that have been trading for years, some that have just started, like me, that literally just want to support one another, that literally just want to see everyone win. We're not here laughing at each other unless it's like an inside joke, and it's fine. But you know, if you made a mistake, it's don't worry, you'll get the next one, or okay, let's go through this together. Why do you think this happened? You know, whoop, what did I say? Cool. And yeah, sorry, that's just my rant, because I have realized like a lot of traders out there just, they actually don't want the best for everyone, and I don't think that's very nice. Ooh, tapped into VWAP on ES and is now popping back up. Let's see if we get confirmation back to the buy side now. I got the stream up right now and the volume is louder than Maya, so I can hear him, not her. Solly is just, you know what Solly's mission today is for me?
Emotional damage.
That is Solly's mission today. No, Solly's not here to help. Solly's here to just cause emotional damage and move on with his life. Good grief. This morning, but definitely never any car that costs as much as a house. Good grief. That's why I was so quiet. I was watching his stream. Aww. Damn, I knew. Right, John. Oh, don't get me wrong. He's probably helped me the most out of everyone, but he laughed at me. Yeah, like I said, it's okay if it's like an inside joke, but you know, be nice. Aw, M5M? Well, welcome. Amazing to have you. All here to help. Exactly. I've been looking for the live and short video format. Everybody I didn't leave still here and gold is still playing. That's my profits. Yep. Let's see, I think the Nasdaq is going to be messing with a lot of people's emotions today. Ooh. Good rejection off of that first presented there. Let's see what it does now. What does it look like on the 5-minute? Just kind of looks like a retest on the 5-minute. Actually, this could potentially go back up. Like I said, I'm low-key forward testing the 15-minute orb. Low-key, I want to see if this works. If it breaks above again, I would be looking for longs. I'm forward testing it, so, you know, I don't trust it entirely yet, but let's see. They only care about themselves more and more, not a good attitude. No, exactly, John. Like I said, that's why even on days when I'm a little bit salty and I've had a bad day, I will still congratulate people that have had their wins because it's well deserved. We don't sit here for hours and hours waiting for good setups for our own health. Let's just be real. We do it because we actually have a passion for it and we want to succeed. We want to be the 5%, right? So I don't know if you guys... Oh, do you know what we should do? Sorry, I got way too excited about that. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know this. I don't know if you guys know a lot about like motorbikes and like, I don't want to say motorbike clubs. Let's call it motorbike clubs. I don't want to say motorbike gangs because that doesn't sound right. And yeah, motorbike clubs. They have like the patches, right? They get, it's called a skin. It's that leather thing that goes over and it has patches on it. And I had a conversation with a motorbike club because there was a bunch of people that had like 1%ers. And I was like, what is the 1%? I mean, it's not great what the 1%er stands for, but it's fine. We should have like a 5%er patches, like stickers, or a little trophy thing. No, maybe not a trophy thing, a mug. The 5%er mug, because we are the 5% that stick it out. What is this first presented you keep going on about? Oh, Mikuave, the first presented fair value gap. Do you want me to explain it to you? Yes, no, maybe? Let me know. Yeah, it's you do you, friendly. We're not here to judge, we're here to trade. Yeah. Hey, some guy, what's up? First value gap. Form after 9:30 open. Oh, never mind. Solly answered already. Maybe I'm slow. I understand you. I've seen bike. Sorry. Real is real. Everyone wins. Exactly. We do it because we're a bunch of DJs. No. What does the 1%? Basically, it may or may not be the guys that have done some potentially illegal things. Yeah. Was that a head and shoulders? It might be. Did I see a W from... You did! Yeah! Check! It was too good to not take the setup. It had everything. It literally had everything. If it didn't work out, I wouldn't have even been upset because it was a really good trade. But yeah, I was a little bit greedy. I should have taken my profit. I had my last runner set for here. I should have taken it there. I then cancelled it and thought if it continues dropping, I'll just keep following the swings. Which I did. I then followed here, which means I got taken out on this big push up. But it's fine. You know, it happens. Like the new layout. Hey, Justin, what's up? How you do? What new layout? Are you on the other one? It wasn't saying 99% of bikers are good as 1%. That give us a bad name, so the criminals took that as a badge of honor and said we are the 1%ers. There we go. What? No, I don't know. Thanks, so guy. Thank you. Yeah, like I said, it was too good not to take? Sorry, I'm curious about this. Obviously, I'm not gonna take this. I'm way too late, but I'm curious. Oh, wow, would have just missed. Let's see. I'm waiting for a proper breakout above. Sugar honey iced tea. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. I was kind of, yeah. Like I said, I don't hate this. I do not hate this, but in the same breath, with the first presented and VWAP right there, it could tap down one last time before it continues to the buy side. So let's maybe not be a silly sausage today. It has been very volatile last week. I had better trades by setting trades and not watching the screen closely. Listen, M5M last week sucked for me. Last week was very much a red week for me. I even posted in Discord, I think I was down $700 and something last week. Which, obviously, not great, but it is what it is. Patience. Oh, I've got to run a set for the low of the triple N-wall cluster at 512. Let's go. Oh, damn. Okay. My day is done. Time to go celebrate with some gaming. Whoop whoop OTT. So Justin, you're now in a long because it broke above, right? Broke above the 15-minute. Like I said, I'm kind of testing the 15-minute still. Wait for confirmation. Last week was good for me, but this week is just so meh. Keep an eye out for 25500. I mean, London high is at 514, and that's right by that cluster, right, Solly? John, what's up? Oh, waiting for confirmation. Yeah, let's see how it reacts off of this little consolidation here. Maybe it breaks above. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, breaking above the 15-minute. Not bad, not bad. Didn't reject off of that order block on ES. Still pushing on ES. Literally, what a bounce off of VWAP on ES. Wow. Wow. That was a solid freaking rejection off of that. Check, wouldn't have even tagged me, and even if I did place that trade. Ah well. I mean, if I wanted to be sneaky and it came back down and I didn't take anything, I could just mark it in for like one contract with a buy and head for London high. But again, that's very sneaky. I do badly on stupidly bullish days. So you prefer shorts. That's interesting. Haven't taken a trade yet. OTT promise me. This week the market has been dead. I can't say I promise. No, Lucky, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, that was me last week. Lucky, last week I was actually convinced that the markets hate me and I should just, like, give up. Like, what's the point? No, I'm just kidding. I won't do that. But it is sometimes PUBG not so much. You tried creative. Haven't been thinking buying. Worth it. I'm long to Japan Europe. Yes, we will spend time there's no for a few years. Nice. $18, $17, $16. So I'm watching if it rejects solidly off of this level. No, it's not gonna. 3, 2, 1. Nah. Would have wanted to see more of a rejection off of that level. It would have ticked me out. Let's say that's gonna play back in 2008. It will be fine. I'm heavy stuff. Well, I might some guys see some clips and it's extracting. Are we back to consolidating right now? Solly, are you still in this? See, so that would not have worked. Guys, believe it or not, sometimes I do listen to myself. Sometimes. 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 Almost looks like a W pattern again. Listen, on ES, it more looks like an M. Double top on ES. Oh, sorry, I'm not sure if you can see. Check how ES looks. Double top, clearly a very big, what is it? Restriction level. That's not it. Resistance level. Resistance zone over here at that, well, you could say like that 704 level. Let's see how it reacts off of this. I mean, it's going slow up, fast down. Hands off, hands off. Don't give back what you've just received from the market. I'm sorry. Just saying, boy, that feeling is usually right. I've come to realize that as well. You have to also, like, as much as the setup has to be there, and as much as you have to be quite mechanical with it, not let the emotions come into play. The gut is a thing. It's so weird, and I used to be so bad with it. Shocking, shocking, absolutely shocking. Last week was not good at all. Oh my gosh, are we just gonna start coiling? Why does it look like we're gonna just start coiling? This is poo-poo caca price action again. Seriously? Seriously? Hey Rashawn, what's up? Just put in a buy. No, are you still in it? Where's your stop loss at, Justin? 2008 Xbox Halo 3 Black Ops 1 Intuition. There we go. But again, the more time you sit behind the monitor watching the chart wiggles, the better your intuition gets, right? Even if it's maybe, do you think it's maybe just the brain picking up on some signals subconsciously, or maybe even consciously, but you know, subconsciously it's noticed things that maybe you didn't fully. So I'm being quite philosophical right now. You guys can stop me if I'm talking absolute BS right now, but like maybe subconsciously you're picking up things that you're not taking proper note of, and that's why you're saying don't do it, or do it, or go for it, you know. Again, I could be talking absolute BS about that, but it's interesting. The more you sit watching the chart wiggles, the better your intuition gets. Like December, oh my gosh. Wow, I know beginning of Jan is quite tricky to trade, but after I had some time off in December and I came back, I was like, I felt like a lost little puppy. I was like, what is happening? The trade wasn't too long. So let's see my last trade today. Okay, Rashawn, let's see. I was never a fan of audio like games with a longer time to allows you to outplay someone even if you're down a couple of away. But the online gaming community was so much better back then. People didn't get butthurt about what someone says in a game here. Oh gosh. I've been too long on this. It's so different every time. No, Bob, I haven't added the ES levels yet. How do they look? So I haven't added them yet. It's been a bit of a hectic day. I'll tell you about it later. But yeah, I didn't have any opportunity to add them yet. Let me give it a try. Just watching some vids. Look mad fun. Oh yeah, we used to play a card for something. I think it's the brain recognizing something that it has seen happen and alerting you to it. See, but it is like kind of subconscious, right? Currently up 1.3k. Damn, Rashawn, what the heck, man? Share the love. Watch the burnt peanut. He legit makes me out. By the way, this worked for me is discipline, discipline, discipline. Yep. M5M, how long have you been trading for? This is coiling. Do you think this is going to start popping up? Pinging up, popping up, however you want to call it. This solidly looks like it's coiling. But looking at the wicks, I'm trying to get better at recognizing price action, trying to judge. Like I said, I didn't like this because there wasn't that proper rejection off of this level, which I would like to have seen. Nope. Yep. Maybe. We might have something. Let's see how it reacts here at the order blocks. I'm gonna go back down again. We're gonna break through. I want to break free. Triple top. Now definitely. There we go. There we go. Okay, broke above on ES. Nice. Knows what March brings precious metal. It's supposed to be a huge delivery month. Monthly, we own a huge resistance. If we break through, it's gonna gamma badly. But pretty good. Nice. 2007, long time. Let's go. Oh, 2007, long time ago. Nice. Big beats. What's up? Hey, the duck gets wild around here. No, 100%. Every week is different. Justin, bye bye bye. No, 100%. But again, is ES at all-time highs right now? No. No? No. Who's trading ES? Can you confirm or deny? Procrastination for me. I'm off for a run in the lashing rain, putting it off, but we gotta be disciplined. Damn, some guy, props to you. I don't think I would have done that. I would have been like, no. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Rashawn. Oh, Duck, sorry, it's a bit of an inside joke thing. Wait for confirmation, maybe? Yeah. Trade safe, touch grass. Some guy, don't get sick. You got this. What YouTube channels do you guys listen to? Josie is cooking. To be fair, KZN is no happy chappy picnic right now. I mean, it is raining. Is it still raining? Nope, maybe it's not raining anymore. I take it back. It wicked above. Okay, let's... It wicked above on ES. It's still struggling to break above. Okay. Has not broken above here. Good actual grief. Wouldn't have taken that. Wouldn't have taken that. Let's see. Justin, you're holding until like London high, right? That 25500 level. Is that where you're holding to? Would trade for some random. I started trading around pre-COVID. Crypto was wild then, 2019. That's where I lost thousands, but make thousands at the same time. Oh, damn, John. But do you still do crypto, or you're like, no, let's do something a little bit more reliable? Listen, we have been needing rain. Last night was the first time it rained, and it was like nearly a little mini flash flood. It was ridiculous. Last night was absolutely insane, and now I think there was like a little downpour, but I think it's done. A little bit sad. We do need more rain down here. Believe me, it's been like during the day. Today was 33 degrees, so it's hot and humid during the day, and then a little bit of rain now. But we need more for this flipping heat. What a perfect trading day. Declining volume, not looking good for higher prices. I agree with you. Gold and silver are the new crypto. Actually, that's interesting. Justin 2469. Why that level, Justin? What made you pick that? Is there something on the higher time frame? Yeah, what is it that made you go, aha, that's it? Hear me out. Is it bad that I think this is actually going to drop? I think if it breaks below, it's gonna start dropping. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I want the buys to happen. I want confirmation in the buys to happen, but I think if it starts dropping, it's gonna drop solidly. Come and go out of crypto when the possible chance is good. I mostly trade in mining stocks now. Anything that's really hot to get a return on. Interesting. Baron of Foxhole, what's that? Silver the new casino, there's always one sexy instrument they ass up, and then all of a sudden it tanks like a meme coin, a rug pull. Interesting. That's very interesting. Well, I mean, it makes sense, right, Solly? It does make sense. Also, Solly, why are you awake, bud? Is it not like 2 AM in the morning? Doesn't have good momentum up, no, and it's struggling to break above. I think if it breaks below, it's going to freaking sorry, drop with some speed. I'm playing with a hair clip, but yeah, I'm a problem child, so it is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, it's just not getting the momentum you'd want to see. Big resistance, watch the day candles, and you'll see the clear picture. Oh, I haven't even checked it. Well, I checked the daily earlier, actually, but I haven't checked recently. I must go check the daily. I mean, theoretically, it's kind of low-key created now, relative equal. Okay, maybe not relative equal highs. Maybe that's pushing it, to call it that. Hey, Brave Blue. Do I use order flow? Yes or no? Leg day today. I'm going to gym at 3:30 AM. Just noises while no one is there. I mean, Solly, that's valid. That is a valid plan. I do miss the gym. I've been doing some just at-home exercise, but I do miss the gym. Oh well. Are we waiting on any news? No, I don't think so. I don't think there's any news. Gave you the screenshot in Discord. Thank you, Sean. I'll go check it out now. For anyone that's new, by the way, sorry for everyone that's heard it 1,000 times. I'm going to apologize 1,000 times, but I am officially affiliated with Tradeify, which is super, super cool. So you can use my code. I did pin it, I think. I did pin it. There we go. My code is TeachMaya, all caps. So if you guys want to get a discount, there's a 30% discount going on currently with all accounts, and a 40% off of 150k select accounts on Tradeify currently. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya. Tradeify is also opening up a crypto, by the way. It's not released yet, but when it is, my code will work with that as well, which is super exciting. But to celebrate this, I do want to do a giveaway. But in order to do the giveaway, I need 10 people, a minimum of 10 people to get a Tradeify account and use my affiliate code. And I thought, you know, let's do it while the special's still on so that you guys get that 30% discount. So up until Sunday, if I get 10 or more people to use my affiliate code with Tradeify, I will do a giveaway next week for a Tradeify account, which is super, super cool. And if you get a Tradeify account using my affiliate code and send me a screenshot, I will add your name however many times you get an account. There we go, a challenge, whatever. I will then add your name as many times. So the more you get, obviously, the more likelihood and bigger chance that you then get that account, that giveaway account, which is super, super, well, that's my plan anyways. Let's see, maybe we don't even get 10 and then the giveaway won't happen, but that is the plan. 10 people, and then a giveaway will happen next week. I'm excited. Keep going 1% club. Looks like it's trading sideways. John, a little bit. So I can't even buy more accounts. Why can't you buy more accounts? Before when? Before the 15th. So the 30% discount is on until the 15th of Feb. So Sunday. Yeah. I'm up 3.7k. What the heck, man? Oh, I hit my target, got 5k. What's the price? Well, probably a 50k challenge. Eval challenge. So 50k prop challenge with Traderify. Hey, Anthony, what's up? You're deaf when me and Boom won last time. You're up next. That's not happening. I've already got 5 accounts with Traderify. Wow. And you got them. Code brown, gotta go. Bob, are you okay? You got them before I got my code? Rude? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Nasdaq? Yes, JM, what's up? Why buy more accurate, get a perfect trade, and trade big? JSE, how long have I been doing this? Not even a year yet. I would have been trading a year in April. Yeah. I only use FTMO because I know people in it. Interesting, really? Yeah, we don't get that done here in South Africa, unfortunately. But damn, gold is killing me today. Oh, are you in Spain without the yes? I'm so sorry. My apologies, let me just blow them and buy new ones. Thank you. Honestly. Full port, let's go. I'm joking. OTT, you do what you gotta do. JC, oh, thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, let's do, oh gosh. This is not looking promising, is it? This is really not looking promising, is it? I'm seeing. Oh, hello. Oh, I had it twice. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I was quickly just checking on the Discord what was happening. This is still coiling pretty solidly. So, what you guys up to? Yeah, because this sucks. This price action is not okay. Sean, I'll have a proper look now. I did see that you sent them. I'm a year in. I'm in red. No, why? But I mean, a year in, that's pretty. I want to say that's pretty standard, right? To be in the red a year in is. I almost want to say pretty standard, right? Everyone learns at a different rate. I know someone that 6 months in is like super profitable and just winning at life, and I'm like, okay, here I am being like not bad, but not that level. And then I've also heard some people say that they only became profitable after 5 years. It takes a while to find what suits you and to sort out the psychology and learn when not to take trades. And like I said, the psychology, it's a pain in the butt. Bitcoin's going down, gold is going down. Looks like maybe NQ will go down. But who knows? Exactly, who knows at this point? It's going sideways right now. It's just going sideways. Very standard. I'm done for today. You're my lucky charm. I got 2 A+ setups today. Shan, you know what? I got you, bud. I got you, bud. Whoop whoop. Oh, by the way, promising string on candles. Let's see, but oopsies, wait. Whoop whoop to anyone that did indeed have a winning day today. Here's a big shout out to you guys. Super, super well done. Seriously, well done. It's awesome. Where I started trading 4 years ago and was unprofitable for 3 years. You'll make it one day. See? Once you make good profits, then you reinvest them. M5M, what do you invest in? Sorry, this is always a very interesting topic. Investing is quite an interesting discussion to have with people because everyone has quite different opinions. I'm not saying any are correct, any are wrong. I don't know much when it comes to investing. Ask me about day trading, sure. Ask me about investing, not a clue. So yes, I'm just always quite curious about it. But I'll just take a small step. Well, go have fun. What happened? What happened to get you into the red? If that makes sense. It takes a while, yeah, it's mentally draining. Honestly, guys. And I think that's the thing. If you're mentally not having a good day, lock yourself out. Yeah, lock yourself out. You're just gonna make silly mistakes that you probably wouldn't have made on a day where you were like in it. Yeah, if mentally you're either fed up or whatever the case may be, just walk away. Lock yourself out. Paper trade if you must. Reconfirm whatever you gotta, but just lock yourself out. I recently invested in Bitcoin. Yep, nothing for me today. Wait, breaking above the 15 again. Is this it? Nope. Yep. Maybe. Seriously? Okay then. That's what the demo account is for. Exactly, M5M, 100%. So I've invested in S&P 500, ETA, other stuff. Okay, Rashawn, and what's your favorite so far? I mean, I don't know if that's a weird question, but what's your favorite to invest in? Is that a weird question? Maybe it's a weird question. Fair in a foxhole? Yes. What are we saying yes to? Yes. Just yes. Hey Oliver, what's up? You recently got funded after 8 eval attempts. Oh, Oliver, that's amazing. Well done. Whoop whoop for you. This is just for you. Well done, Oliver. That is such a huge achievement. Whoop whoop. Seriously, well done. That is amazing. Are you like completely over the moon right now? Are you completely over the moon? That is so cool. Oh, higher. Yes, got it. But there's a silent like me. I'm so sorry. Oh, Lucky, I'm so sorry. Baron of Foxhole, you agree with higher. It is just getting smaller and smaller. I'm doing this for funsies, no one judge me. It doesn't actually mean anything. I literally do it for fun. I call it like the Mojo Jojo. I don't know how, it's because X marks the spot and then someone mentioned how X was something that... Nice. I can't even remember, but it ended up being called the Mojo Jojo. When it starts coiling like this, whatever it breaks out of is the direction it's going to be like running away in. Let's see if it works out. And I promise you, the one day I did this and at the X is where it broke down. It was amazing. I will never forget that day. And it's the day I tried it for the first time. It was so funny. It took me a while to make a strategy, like avoiding days and after getting above percentified. I was confident what I was doing ever since I've been profitable. Nice. But I needed that cushion. That's exactly, the extra pressure doesn't help. Like if there's extra pressure, the emotions take over, right? That's where the psychology comes in. Okay, so let's see. No, but it has to break below it solidly. Okay, maybe not. Let's see. You guys on Discord? M5M? Yeah. Well, I think... I don't know if everyone's on Discord. Is everyone on Discord? If not, it is in the description below. You guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. You're in a foxhole. It's effective, true. Hey, Amia, what's up? How you doing? Yes, I need to... how many years of training did you have to complete before you could make profit? I haven't even been trading for a year yet. Yeah. Haven't even been trading for a year yet. Am I profitable? Yes and no. Haven't passed an eval, but gotten really close. Haven't blown this eval in a very long time, so I guess technically I am profitable. The Golden Cross, not familiar with that. No, I did. Like I said, let's see. Let's see if this does work. If it does, I'm going to die laughing again, but you could see it rejected off of it. It needs to break solidly below, or else it doesn't count. Here we go. Let's see. I do this just for fun on days where it's a bit dead. So I do it just for fun, but it tends to work if it breaks out of this, the Mojo Jojo. I forgot. Yeah, I just call it the Mojo Jojo. If it breaks out of the Mojo Jojo, it tends to break solidly out of it in that direction. I mean, not even one yet. 0.75. Thanks, Ollie. There we go. Nah. Oh, that's so. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, so still not breaking out of it solidly. Going back into it. No, yes, maybe. Meh. No, the Mojo Jojo has appeared to not work this time. Okay. Wow. This price action is... yeah. Just, yeah. This price action sucks. I got this thing to go in when it is at its highs. Hey Manuel, what's up? What does the rest of the chart look like? If you look up stock patterns, you'll see... this type. Okay, there's a better break below. Okay, this might start going down properly now. Let's see if I'm correct. Let's see if this Mojo Jojo thing works. It does patent pending. No, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. Oh, am I? Let's see. Let's see if this breaks below solidly. If this starts to run away to the sell side. How it works. No, let's see. I mean, I wouldn't call this a solid runaway right now. It's meh. You would want to see more momentum breaking out of it. Theoretically, like I said, this is not a strategy I use, people. Please, 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 please. But yeah. Hey Rice, what's up? What's my trading strategy? It's not this. Okay, it's not this. I use, sweet and simply, market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. I have a GAN box that I draw the range to get the premium and discount level, and voila. It's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. I do tend to leave a runner. I was a little bit greedy here. I had a runner set and then I cancelled it. Ugh, I should have just taken it. It is what it is. It's fine. I'm gonna go watch. Whoop whoop to everyone. Oh, cheers, Lucky. Enjoy. I'm busy watching Dragon Ball Z currently. Wow, this price action sucks. This really, really is something else. But it's not over. We still got the Mojo Jojo thing happening. I'm all keen for it. Let's do this. Nope, it might just go back in. I mean, it did reject off of the fair value gap on ES. If this does start dropping, patent pending. Oh, good grief. Okay. Do you think it's just gonna do this for the rest of New York session? It's just gonna keep going sideways? Because this is agonizing. This is indeed Spain without the S. And say, how come a woman trade? What's up, Armin? Have you never seen a woman trade before? What's up? Is it London closed? Oh, it might. No. I don't think so, not yet. What's up, everybody? Oh my gosh. But I feel like this is pretty valid for that comment about female traders, but anyways. It'll drop a little bit before it jumps up. Carry on. Mark is saying I found my soulmate, that's why I hit all my TP. Oh, Sean, look at you go. Look at you go. This price action is... I don't even know what to call this. Who has a good adjective for whatever this is right now? Apart from pupu kaka, because that's the first thing that came to my mind, but that sounds very childish, so let's not call it pupu kaka. I mean, if I was doing the non-PG-13 version, I would say something else, but pupu kaka gives you the idea. Oh my gosh, it's dropping. Okay, yo, patent pending for the Mojo Jojo setup. I like it. Patent pending. Patent pending. I would have to like completely forward test this, but sorry, back test them, not forward tested. Come back for post lunch will be interesting in an OT if it forms for a long. Red heat maps. Oh, interesting. Hey, Zikin, how are you doing? Trying to fight the resistance. Yep. Oh, cheers, Debbie. Thank you for joining. You are amazing. Huge shout out to Debbie. Let's go, Mojo Jojo. Seriously? 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 You saw it here first, people. The Mojo Jojo. I'm joking. There's probably some... Has anyone seen this done before? I'm pretty sure this is a thing somewhere. No? Yes? Maybe? I'm pretty sure this is a thing somewhere. Adjectives lethargic. Ooh, look at you go. New TM. All directions. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I like the Mojo Jojo. Like I said, I'm gonna have to backtest the heck out of it, but it tends to work if it starts doing this. But it's basically like two trend line. It's a flag, okay, but it's if it breaks out of the flag, it's pretty good to go in that direction. But how long though? I guess is the next question. They're just tapped in, but I mean, if you have a set like here, if you just had VWAP as your set go to and the first presented, whoop, there we go. It's a pretty solid point of interest for the short to go tap into, right? Hot rod flag, I guess. Directionless, but I prefer Kaka. Where is the stop loss? No, I'm not. Like I said, I didn't take this. I would have to solidly back test this, but I probably would have put my stop loss. I guess at the at the low slash. Yeah, all of these levels kind of lined up. I probably would have put it here. This low, VWAP, and first presented all added, lined up. So that would be quite a good point to put your TP, not stop loss, sorry. Where would you put your stop loss though? That's a good question. Just above the high. Yeah. Interesting. I'd be like, dang, oh, nice. So you're new to, how new is new to trading, by the way? Slower than molasses. Oh, I like that. I'm trying to think of like, let me think about this. Slower than. Slower than. I like the molasses thing. That just keeps popping into my brain. Oh, good grief. Come on, price action. This is actually agonizing. This is what agony is made of. Right here, right now. M5M, am I looking at shorting up? I'm hands off until this gives us a proper solid direction. I actually was keen on bulls when it broke above the 15-minute. I was keen on bills, but this then just started consolidating, so yep. Guys, don't forget to press that like button, by the way. Sorry, that just popped into my head. Don't forget to press that like button. The more we grow this amazing community of traders that actually want others to win and to help others grow, that's awesome. If you're not one of those traders, you can just move along. Sorry, maybe that sounds rude, but you know, if you're not here to help others and you want to see others lose, this is not the community for you. If you want to actually help others and you want to be there to support others if they're going through a red week or a green week, then this is the community, right? Be there for one another. This is not, trading is not easy. We don't need people being mean to us. You can joke around, sure, but you know, if you're genuinely being mean, it's not worth it. But yeah, so if you do want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome. It is free. Link is in the description below. I am officially affiliated with Tradeify, so if you guys want to use my code, they're having a 30% discount currently on all accounts. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya. I did pin it as well. Yep. That's it. That's my spiel. Well, this is going nowhere. Okay. Okay, price action. I'm giving you a time limit here. You have, what should we say? You have 5 more minutes to start moving. You have 5 minutes and wait, 2, 1. There we go. 5 minutes. Go. Let's see. I'm literally here watching a movie because of this movement today. Honestly, Mikuave. Also, what movie are you watching? Go outside for 10 deep breaths and clear your mind. Technically, I go green every day scalping. Sometimes the snooks will put me in red. Some days later, it bounces back. Interesting. Shelf expired. This channel will help traders from being impulsive and overtrading. Yeah. Discipline. 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 In the Discord, I do have something called your accountability. Where if you've tilted, you can put it there, and it's supposed to be someplace for you to just be able to be like, oh my gosh, I've done a few things there where I hesitated on a winning, like A+ setup, and it would have been a winning trade, and I hesitated and didn't take it. Yeah, it was very frustrating. It's to help, right? You don't have to use it, but it's there. Market is running on Windows 95. That is hilarious. Probably 2 years now. How long have you been grinding? Not even a year yet, Armin. Yeah. Avatar the second one because the third one has come out, and I'm probably gonna. Oh, Mikuave. I don't have like. Are you watching it on like Disney Plus? I don't have Disney Plus. And I watched the first one because when the third Avatar came out, I wanted to watch 1, 2, because I don't really remember 2, but 1, 2, and then go watch 3. So I watched number 1 and I was like, yay! Then I tried to find number 2 and couldn't find it. So yeah, I was sad. Oh well, it's okay. Hey, Elusive Trading, what's up? We chatted a few weeks ago about how man does not see if you're transferring with the framing system there for the man. Oh, I did not. I will do that. I apologize. I apologize. Life has been everywhere. I did actually go through my emails the other day, and this morning actually, and I saw it and I went, oh shoot. So I'm on it. I'm so sorry. Just sorry. I watched one yesterday. It's a really good movie. I really like it. I think it is awesome. I don't know what you guys think about it, but yeah. You have 2.5 minutes to go, buddy. Come on, make a decision. You can do it, little buddy. You've got this. Come on in, Q. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. appreciate it so much. We're super close to what I think for is making sure to avoid adding new features every day. I got you, Elusive. I got you. On Disney Plus, if you get a VPN blocker, you can get the movies from all the different countries. Ah, what? Really? Cool. Rashad, what movie? Avatar. So if you switch to the UK, all 3 movies are on there. But I don't have Disney Plus, that's the thing. I don't have it. I got Netflix, but it's not on Netflix. I got Crunchyroll, it's not on Crunchyroll. I don't have Disney Plus though. Anyways. Hey Kotlefa, what's up? How you doing? How are you? Found a good one. Market is slow enough. That's amazing. I'm stealing that from you. I hope that's okay. That is beautiful. All of them? I love that. That is beautiful. I like it. Okay, 1 minute to go. Move it or lose it. Come on. I've never quite understood that. What does that mean? Move it or lose it? What does it mean? Where did it come from? Does anyone know where that phrase comes from? Sorry, I went on like a deep dive long ago about where all the different phrases come from. It's very interesting. It is so interesting. Yeah. Like penny for your thought, and oh, there's a few now I've gone blank naturally just because I wanted to tell you guys about some of them. Hello, here we go, we're getting some movement. 3, 2, 1, and if you go back up, then I might call it. You start moving. It's moving on ES. Hey Katleho, I trade Nasdaq alone, sorry, but I mean I do have ES open on the side here. But yeah, so I trade Nasdaq because I'm still pretty new. Oh, the same. She runs through about 6 animes a week in Crunchyroll. Yep. It's a song from Zombieland. Ooh, zip noise. Wait, there we go. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, okay, I'm calling it. Sorry. I'm calling it. This price action is driving me crazy. At least, okay, I'm gonna now delete everything. Sorry. So at least I got a good trade in today. Winning trade, whoop whoop. I'm happy. This price action just is now... yeah. It's just not moving, so I'm gonna call it for today. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to press that like button, and you can use my code TeachMaya, 30% discounts, and if I get 10 or more people that use my affiliate code with Tradeify, I will be doing a prop giveaway, not a prop giveaway, an account giveaway, there we go, next week, but I need 10 minimum people to sign up using my code. So let's see. I love you guys madly. I won't be here tomorrow for London session, sorry, but hopefully tomorrow New York session I will be here. I love you guys. See you then. Trade safe. Bye.